Yeah, let's go! Green candles flashing on the phone screen, living out a high-speed digital dream. Whoa! Hey, party people in the place to be, checking out tokens with crypto rally. Gas fees burning while the wallet's getting fat. To the moon, ain't no turning back. Let's go! Hey, party people in the place to be, checking out tokens with crypto rally.
Hey party people, welcome to the rally. I'm going to start doing one video in the morning and include some tokens. So today I'm going to have a law of attraction, ALTSZN, DOWGE, BIDI, Pixel, Rally Cat, and the Bitcoin Bull that I've checked out. So I'm going to just start doing one video. So let's go with the giveaway coins right now. We have law of attraction is a 483K cap, down negative 4.42% in the past 24 hours. We have ALTSZN a 2.07 million market cap, up 0.69% in the 24 hours. DOWGE 2.18 million market cap, up 2.43% in the past 24 hours. BIDI, the Bitcoin mascot, 532K market cap, down negative 3.84% in the past 24 hours. Pixel, 1.01 million market cap, up 13.46% in the past 24 hours. And then Rally Cap, 8.44 million, yeah, I wish, 8.44K market cap. We were up to 49 holders. We hit 51 holders yesterday. So that's good. And we are negative 3.44% in the past 24 hours, even though we hit a new all-time high yesterday. And then we have the Bitcoin Bull, 16.47 million market cap and up 4.78% in the past 24 hours. So, which I don't think I have. Yeah, I do have Pixel. Okay. So let's go ahead. We'll look at the portfolio tracker. So here's a portfolio tracker on the tokens that I'm giving away. I'm giving away each one of these tokens when Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, or when one of these coins has $1 billion market cap. I put $100 in each one of these coins. Every Wednesday, I give away $10 in Solana or $15 if you are subscribed to me. And then once I hit 500 subscribers on YouTube, I will be giving away one whole Solana and maybe a little bit more if you are a subscriber. So subscribers are growing, so that is awesome. Let's go over back here. So yeah, so right now this influencer is beating this influencer with their portfolios, and this portfolio is up by $55.97. And right now the current winner is DOWGE. DOWGE is leading all the other tokens. All the other tokens are pulling back. So let's go ahead and we will jump into the tier classifiers. Right now, 1000X tier is showing RallyCat, my token, as a 1000X tier. So from an 8.44K cap to an 8.44 million cap, that's a 1000X. Bitcoin Bull is in the 75X tier from a 16.47 million market cap to a 1.23 billion market cap. Possible in a bull run. 50X tier is BIDI to a 26.65 million market cap, and LOA to a 24.17 million market cap. And 30X tier is Pixel from a 1 million market cap to a 30 million market cap. And then we have in the 15X tier DOWGE and ALTSZN, 2 million market cap to a 32 million market cap, and 15X from a 2 million market cap to a 31 million market cap. Possible for the bull market. Looking at the meme coin evaluators, overall scores, 55 out of 100 for LOA, 55 out of 100 for ALTSZN, same for DOWGE, 56 out of 100 for BIDI, 56 out of 100 for Pixel, 42 out of 100 for RallyCat. That's low risk, the high risk meme, and then 58 out of 100 for the Bitcoin Bull. It just goes off all the different metrics: hype, community, liquidity, market upside. So you can see the lower cap coins have a higher market upside, and then the higher cap coins have a lower upside, basically, because they're so high market cap. Then volume, so 90 out of 100 for Bitcoin Bull, a lot of volume over there, low volume for RallyCat. But as these change, then these metrics will change, going from a higher risk coin to a lower risk coin. All right, so also the contest, if you want to join the contest, in the description, you click on this link, it'll bring up this portal. You log into the portal, you can see we're growing like 2 weeks ago, we had 400 entries. Now we have 620 entries. Log into this portal, and then you will be eligible for the giveaways. So you just log in, click on my YouTube, and hit subscribe, click on X, hit follow, and then come back to this portal every day and watch the daily video, and you'll get extra entries. All right, let's go ahead and we'll just look at the charts right now. So this is my token Rally Cat. We're up to 282 followers. We keep growing every day. I'm posting out here all the time, socials. I do helpful life tips. This was the helpful life tip last night. If you check your crypto portfolio one last time before bed and it goes red, don't keep refreshing. Just change the candle color and turn your phone upside down. Now it's green and going up. Problem solved. Good night. So I'm always posting stuff out here, the charts, other community members are posting out there. So go ahead, and if you want to check that out, that would be awesome. So now let's go ahead and check the charts. So the Bitcoin bull, last time I checked it, and I checked it in this video over here on my live streams. So I checked it 2 weeks ago, July 22nd or so. And let's see right here. Yeah, July 22nd, I checked the Bitcoin bull. And then so I had from this top down to the bottom, we have the 618.76. So that was in this area, and then it just bounced. And I just checked it today since then, and then it went crazy all the way up to here. So I was like, what in the world? So now we're looking for pullback areas. So I'm bringing this all the way up to the top. I should have jumped in when I looked at it. Looking at it because one of my subscribers wanted me to look at it. So I looked at it, and then I should have jumped in when it was hitting the 618.76. So I'm going all the way down to the bottom for this token. And I'm just going to look for the major levels, see if it's hitting any of the major levels. That's right here. And so the FIP's going down, so that's good. Get rid of this because there's other support. So you can see from the top all the way down to the bottom, we came right actually below the 618.786, below this level. Let's see here, change it to the weekly and see what it did. So yeah, so now if you're looking at the week candles from the top all the way down to the bottom, we wicked under the 786, and now we're back above the 786. So you can see the wick, and now we're back, and now we're trying to fight at the 618. So the 618 is 0.01869. And then we have the 786 down here, 0.01048. So those are the major levels. And then you can come in here and grab other fib levels from this move to this move. And that's what I'd be looking at now to remain bullish. So let me get rid of this and get rid of this little, come on, get rid of that in there. So I'm just going to zoom into the 4 hour. So just go from this top down to this bottom. We want to hold this 618.786 right here, and you can see we have other supports in there. So right here, so from this bounce up, we want to maintain the uptrend. Right now we're using this 236 as support, but we have this 618 down here between like 0.01055 and then the 76.007974. So that's what we want to hold for the Bitcoin bull if it needs a further pullback. There's Rally Cat, see holders going up. So we hit 51 yesterday, so new all-time high in the holders yesterday. Now looking at pixel chart, so we have from this top down to this bottom, we fell under this 786, 618, and then we reclaimed it. So we want to hold 309905, and then we have up here the 618. But right now, we just want to hold this level. If not, we could be coming back down. And you can grab this right here, and I'm zoomed way into the 1 hour chart. Just so you know, on the rest of these coins, I just want to see what they're going to do during that day, what I'm looking for, if they're going to stay bullish. So from this top down to this bottom, we have this area 618, 0.000940. but we want to hold this stronger level right here, the 786 at 0.009905. Biddy from this top right here. My line moved a little bit. So from this bounce to the top, we want to hold. We got back above the 618. You see we fell in, and so now we want to hold this area at 0.005287 to keep marching higher. DOWGE from this top to this bottom, we fell down through. Now we're back over the 618, hitting our head on the 382. So here's a 0.5. We want to hold that. Maybe bounce, head higher. That's at 0.002160. But if we come back down to the 618 again, that's at 0.202131 for DOWGE. All season from this top down to the bottom. We came back in here and we bounced. So we want to hold, I'm just going to say the 618s at 0.002012. At the 0.5 here, it could bounce off of that, but major levels 0.002012 to maintain the bullish uptrend. And then we have LOA from this top to the bottom. We're back down in the 618.76, hitting our head on the 618. So we need to get over 304840. If not, with the 76 at 304752. And now let's go ahead and look at Rally Cat. You can see we had a new all-time high yesterday, and we're finally getting a pullback after going straight up on this move. So we hit our heads on 509419. Once we hit a 10K cap, I am going to pay for the DEX. So here's the DEX right here. You can see we're down negative 3.44% in the past 24 hours. Past 6 hours, we had some buys with 15 buys, 5 sells, 7 buyers, 5 sellers, 177 buy volume, 254 sell volume. So sellers are stepping in. And I think we got down to 48 holders, and now we have 49, so someone else jumped in or jumped back in. And so I need, when we hit 10K, I'm going to update the DEX. So you can see update token info. It's about $300. I was prepared to do it yesterday, and then at 10K, because that's what we said when we hit 10K, I'm going to do that. And we hit 9.4K, so, and it's coming back down. So y'all give me some more time to keep that money in my pocket. So anyways, so we're having some selling, which is not me. I'm the dev, I'm the holder. I'm going to support you all. So, but that's good. Take money, take profits. That's good. But so if we need to pull back just from this level to this level right here, the support could be at 507672 and the 786 at 507198. I don't know if we're going to come back down. You already can see we're already bouncing here off of 382. So we'll see if that holds that level. And then we have the major levels down here. If there's going to be some big pullback for some reason, then we have this down here. The major level is at the 618 at 505076 and the 786 at 503895. But like I said, we have these levels up here, and that's what I'm worrying about now. Just from this move right here, this current move, because I want to see if I want to maintain bullish and go up. And if we break this, then we could be coming down to those levels. But we are not there yet. I just want to see if these levels hold right here, like the 382 and stuff like that. But that is it for all the tokens and the giveaways. Please like, subscribe, and join the contest, the giveaway. Check out all the coins I talked about. Again, none of this is financial advice. And I will see you all in the next one.